It's of a damsel both fair and handsome. These lines are true as I've been told. Near the banks of Shannon, in a lofty mansion, her father garnered great stores of gold. Her hair was black as raven's feather, her form and features, oh, describe who can. But still it's a folly belongs to nature. She fell in love with a servant man. As those two lovers were fondly talking, her father heard them and near them drew. In anger home her father flew. To build a dungeon was his intention. To part true love he contrived a plan. He swore an oath by all his mansion, he'd part that fair one from her servant man. So he built a dungeon with bricks and mortar, with a flight of steps, for it was underground. The food he gave her was bread and water, the only comfort for her was found. 3 times a day he cruelly beat her. Unto her father she thus began: "If I've transgressed my own dear father, I will lie and die for my servant man." Young Edwin found her habitation. It was secured by an iron door. He vowed in spite of all the nation, he would gain her freedom or rest no more. So at his leisure he toiled with pleasure to gain the freedom of Mary Ann. And when he had found out his treasure, she cried, "My faithful young servant man." Said Edwin, "Now I've found my treasure, I will be true to you likewise. And for your sake I will face your father. To see me here it will him surprise." When her father brought her bread and water, to call his daughter he then began. Said Edwin, "Enter, I freed your daughter, I will suffer your servant man." When her father found that she was vanished, then like a lion he thus did roar, saying, "From Ireland you shall be banished, and with my sword I will spill your gore." "Agreed," said Edwin, "I freed your daughter. I freed your daughter, do all you can. But forgive your treasure, I'll die with pleasure, for the one fault is your servant man." When her father found him so tender-hearted, then down he fell on the dungeon floor, saying that love should never be parted, since love can enter an iron door. So soon they're one to be parted never, and roll in riches this young couple can. This fair young lady is blessed with pleasure, contented with her young servant man.